Dreambaby's Phoenix bed rail is a great way to help keep your children safer at night. It's ready to assemble and comes with a storage bag. It's easy to assemble and disassemble, no tools required. To assemble, lay out all the parts so they are ready to use. First, pull down the frames and brackets until they click and lock into position. Next, feed the cover onto the frame. With the squeeze of a button, join both frames with one linking tube. Spread the cover over the frame. The cover is machine washable, which is a really great feature. Then, join the base tubes using the remaining linking tube. Now feed the assembled base tube through the bottom of the cover. While squeezing the inner base tube buttons, insert the outer buttons securely into the brackets. The Phoenix bed rail is also suitable for slat beds. Before positioning under the mattress, you must rotate the T-bar 90 degrees. It's easily portable, which means it is also great for overnight trips at the grandparents', friends', vacations, or holidays.